Pakistan is an agricultural land with diverse cultures and traditions. 63% of its population lives in rural areas. Today, we invite you to join us on a journey to a traditional village, where life flows in harmony with nature. Let's start with their morning. As the first light of dawn touches the village, a new day begins. The villagers rise with the sun and start the day in the name of God. Women of the house starts preparing breakfast. Usually curd milk, commonly known as lassi, is made fresh in mud vessel by continuous stirring. Then butter comes out, which will be used in making prathas and other organic items. They eat their meals with great joy and gratitude. After breakfast, villagers get busy in their daily routine work, which includes milking the cows, cutting of forage for animal food, crop farming, and harvesting. Fetching of water from a well is done by the help of buffaloes. Here is the glimpse of water level up wheel. At a closer look, you will see a big wheel which takes water from low level and transfer it to high level, from which water goes directly into the fields. All this wheel mechanism is continuously running by 2 buffalo. In the evening, this process stops and leave the buffalo for rest. Clay crafting is also one of art in which villagers are very expert. They start with wet clay, which is moving round and round on plain surface, and by the movement of hands, specific shape of craft is generated, and make beautiful piece of art. This process looks so interesting and satisfying. Here is the woman who is decorating this clay pot like an expert, with different colors by continuous movement of pot. See how colorful the pot is looking. It's just amazing. In the heart of the village, we find a group of women gathered together, preparing a feast. With skilled hands and aromatic spices, they create dishes that embody the rich flavors of Pakistani cuisine. From savory curries to freshly baked bread, these culinary traditions have been passed down through generations, keeping the village nourished and connected. Festivals hold a special place in village life, breathing life into traditions that pass down through generations. Weddings in the villages are very huge. Usually thousands of people attend the village marriage. It's the moment of celebration for everyone, where groom and the bride are blessed with the prayers of elders for their happy married life. A lavishing menu is to be seen in these huge weddings. Villagers engaging in traditional dances, music, and joyful celebrations. The rhythmic beats of traditional music and vibrant dances showcase the richness of their cultural heritage. For entertainment, you can see village fair. It's the source of joy for villagers. Here, the most common thing is string puppets or Kathputli dance. It is an old tradition, which features a well-known ballad or a lyrical story to narrate the events of historic times. These stories or tales of romance and chivalry are told with movements of string puppets. Another interesting thing you can see in village fair is this huge orange bread, which is known as kathlamba. A savory taste bread which is traditional and everyone's favorite here. Villagers decorate the tombs of their preachers and offer prayers there. It's the sacred place for them. Festivals and special occasions bring the community together, igniting a spirit of joy and unity. Education plays a vital role in shaping the future of these communities. In the heart of the village, a humble school stands. Although the village schools are not high standard like in cities, but they are providing knowledge and empowering young minds. Children eagerly gather in their uniforms, eager to learn and grow. The heart of the village beats at its market, a vibrant hub where villagers gather to trade their goods and share stories. Village supermarkets are the busiest spots where you can find everything you need. It's like a superstore. You can see hustle bustle everywhere. You can also see eatables like samosa, pakora, chaat, chicken roll, sweets, and many more. Look at this beautiful kid's shoes. Village markets are the place of joy entertainment for villagers. Villagers engaging in friendly banter, haggling, and examining the items. Here, the village comes alive with colors, aromas, and the joyful sounds of community. In village, you can see buffalo moving round and round for grinding process of wheat. This is the traditional method for wheat grinding. Women also doing this wheat grinding in their homes at some places. Our journey through the village life of Pakistan comes to an end. In these close-knit communities, the simplicity and beauty of everyday life shine brightly, reminding us of the enduring spirit that thrives in the villages of Pakistan. Join us next time as we continue our exploration of the diverse tapestry that makes up this incredible country. Until then, Khuda Hafiz, goodbye, and may your own journeys be filled with wonder and discovery.